Take a look at the 3D origami heart you can make from a simple square sheet of paper of any size.
Origami University.
First, you need to fold the sheet to the very 2 cm left to the edge of the sheet. Fold and bend the remaining piece of paper. Fold the top edges, right and left, down towards the bottom. Next, you need to fold the paper the way I did. Unfold the corners you just made. Fold the paper the same way I did. Fold the top edges, right and left, down towards the bottom. Fold the corner inward. Fold the edges just like I did. Now you need to slightly open the bottom section to inflate the heart. Let's inflate the heart. If you love origami as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Here is the heart that turned out. Thanks for watching, good luck!